I found 17 Amazon gadgets that most tech channels don't even know exist, and the cheapest one costs less than your lunch. Number 1. Replaces your phone screen with technology most people think is science fiction. If you want honest gadget breakdowns without the filler, subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop your guess for number 1 in the comments. I promise you're wrong. Let's start at 17. Number 17. ONXE LED USB clock fan, $16. A USB fan where the spinning blades display a floating clock in midair, real-time, readable from across the room, and it genuinely looks like a hologram. I plugged this into my laptop during a meeting, and 3 people stopped talking about the quarterly report to ask what was happening on my desk. Amazon's choice with over 3,000 reviews. For $16, your workspace just became a conversation piece. At 16, Force One Scoot Pro, $20. A flying orb you control entirely with your hands. No remote, no app, no phone connection. Wave underneath and it rises. Move your hand over it and it drops. LED lights project patterns while it flies. I brought this to a family dinner and my nephew genuinely thought I was doing magic. 25,000 reviews and Amazon's choice. $20 for actual wonder. Number 15. Ponek T02 Mini Printer, $30. A pocket-sized thermal printer that connects to your phone and prints stickers, photos, labels, and notes instantly. No ink cartridges, ever. The heat does everything. I printed a custom label for my water bottle in about 8 seconds. The app has templates for everything from to-do lists to mini Polaroid-style prints. This fits in your palm and makes you feel like you own a tiny printing press. At 14, AstroAI Portable Air Compressor, $32. Last winter, I walked out to a completely flat tire at 6 a.m. before a job interview. No gas station open for miles. If I'd had this in my trunk, I would have been fine in 4 minutes. Plugs into your car's 12-volt, inflates to your target PSI, and auto stops when it hits the number. Digital gauge, built-in LED for nighttime emergencies, handles bikes and sports balls too. I bought 2, one for my car, one for my sister who's never checked her tire pressure in her life. Number 13. Govee Star Projector, $70. I've tested cheap star projectors that look like a sad planetarium. This is not that. 3 aurora effects that genuinely flow across your ceiling like you're watching the northern lights from a cabin in Norway. Voice control through Alexa, 52 scene modes, and 18 white noise options for sleep. I turned this on for the first time and sat on my bed staring at the ceiling for 10 straight minutes. My girlfriend walked in, looked up, and just said, "We're keeping this." At 12, Aqara FP2 Presence Sensor, $83. Most motion sensors detect movement. This one detects that you exist. Millimeter wave radar knows you're sitting perfectly still reading a book, tracks multiple people across separate zones, and even detects falls. Works with Alexa, HomeKit, and Google. My bathroom lights used to turn off mid-shower because the old sensor couldn't see me behind the curtain. This one knows I'm there. Problem solved forever. Number 11. Olight Arkfeld Pro, $90. A flat, pocket-sized device that combines a 1300 lumen flashlight, green laser pointer, and a 365 nanometer UV blacklight. Switch between all 3 with 1 click. The UV reveals stains completely invisible to the naked eye. I checked my hotel room once and immediately wished I hadn't. Also spots counterfeit bills instantly. 3 tools in something thinner than your phone. 800 people bought this last month. Top 10. If any of those surprised you, subscribe now, because the next 10 include a levitating speaker, a fire-powered phone charger, and a device that literally prints objects out of thin air. Let's keep going. Top 10. Number 10. 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, $90. This wireless mechanical keyboard is styled after a classic NES controller. And I'm not exaggerating. It looks like Nintendo designed a keyboard in 1985, and somehow it's gorgeous. Hot swappable switches so you can customize how every key feels. Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C. 2 giant programmable super buttons that feel exactly like the originals. Every person who's walked past my desk has physically stopped to stare. Sounds incredible, types beautifully, and makes every other keyboard look boring. At 9. RUIXINDA Levitating Speaker, 98 bucks. A UFO-shaped speaker that magnetically floats above its base while playing music. Not a gimmick. The 360-degree sound is genuinely solid, and the levitation is completely silent. I put this on my coffee table, and every single visitor asks the same question: how? The LED ring underneath glows while it rotates slowly in midair. It's part speaker, part art installation, and fully absurd in the best way. Amazon's choice for a reason. Number 8. Divoom Pixu 64, $126. A 10-inch LED display with a 64 by 64 pixel grid you program entirely from your phone. Show custom pixel art, social media follower counts in real time, weather, clocks, or animations from a massive community library with thousands of designs. I set mine to display a retro pixel campfire, and it became the best ambient light in my apartment. Wall mount it, and guests will think you spent 10 times what you actually paid. This is the desk upgrade nobody sees coming. At 7, Nothing Ear Open, $149. These look like nothing else in the earbuds market, literally. The transparent design makes them look like concept art that escaped a design lab. Open ear, so you hear the world around you while music plays. No isolation, no missing your train stop, no oblivious walking into traffic. Sound quality has no business being this good in an open design. Built-in ChatGPT support for voice commands. I wear these more than my AirPods now, and I genuinely never thought I'd say that. Number 6. BioLite CampStove 2 Plus, $200. This gadget burns twigs, sticks, and pine cones, then converts the fire's heat into USB electricity to charge your phone. Read that again. Fire charges your phone. A thermoelectric generator captures waste heat while you cook on the integrated stovetop. I used this camping last October, made dinner, charged my phone to 40%, and felt like a survivalist genius the entire time. No fuel canisters, no outlets, just whatever's on the ground beneath your feet. Top 5. These are the gadgets that genuinely change how you live. If this video has been useful, tap like, takes 1 second, and helps others find it. Here we go. Number 5. Rabbit R1, $199. A pocket AI device in bright orange with a retro scroll wheel that looks like it fell out of 2035. You talk to it, and it handles tasks. Takes meeting notes, transcribes conversations, records voice memos with unlimited transcriptions. No subscription fees, ever. I recorded a team call from my jacket pocket, and the transcription was more accurate than my own handwritten notes. It runs its own AI model, not just a ChatGPT wrapper. For $200, you're carrying a dedicated AI assistant that never drains your phone battery. At 4, Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, $219. A 3D printer that actually works right out of the box, and I know every 3D printer says that. This one means it. Auto leveling, auto calibration, prints at 250 millimeters per second. Whisper quiet while it runs. I printed a custom phone stand in 20 minutes on my very first attempt. No failed prints, no spaghetti plastic disasters, no 3-hour troubleshooting rabbit holes. The maker community calls this the gateway printer for a reason. Under $220, you can manufacture custom objects at home. That sentence still sounds insane to me. Number 3. MetaQuest 3S, $300. I put these on in my living room, and 30 seconds later, I was dodging lasers in a spaceship. Full mixed reality. The pass-through cameras blend your real room with virtual objects so convincingly that I flinched when a creature crawled through my actual wall. My heart rate spiked, and I had to remind myself I was standing next to my couch. Resolution sharp enough to read small text, 2 solid hours of battery, 5-minute setup out of the box. This experience used to require a gaming PC and a $1,000 headset. $300, another dimension is right there. At 2, BirdBuddy Pro Solar, $239. A smart bird feeder with a built-in AI camera that identifies every species that visits and sends you a notification with the bird's name and photo. Solar powered. Install it once and never think about charging again. 2K HD video, slow motion capture, live streaming straight to your phone. I installed this in my backyard and discovered 7 species visiting daily that I never knew existed. My neighbor saw a rare hawk on my live feed and ordered one that same night. Nobody expects a bird feeder on a gadget list. That's exactly why it's number 2. 16 gadgets down. I teased this at the start. Number 1 is something most people don't know exists yet. Last chance. Drop your guess in the comments before I reveal it. Here it is. The coolest Amazon gadget you've never seen before is the BOOX Palma 2 at $270. Here's why this wins. Reason 1. It's a phone-sized e-ink reader that runs full Android. Not a Kindle, not a tablet. A 6-inch e-ink device with Google Play Store, apps, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a camera. Your eyes never hurt from a screen again. Reason 2. E-ink means zero glare in direct sunlight and a battery that lasts days instead of hours. I read for 3 straight hours without any eye strain and genuinely forgot I wasn't holding paper. Reason 3. It fits in your pocket like a phone. This is the device that finally makes you put your phone down and actually enjoy doing it. If you buy one gadget from this entire list, make it this one. Which gadget surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you discover something new, hit like and subscribe. I drop honest gadget videos every week, and the next list is already being tested. All links below. The best gadget is the one you didn't know you needed until right now.